Hello everyone, I'm Sheikh Sauddin and you are watching my YouTube channel. So today I have come with a new video after a very long time, because nowadays I have been giving some kind of a gameplay type video, but right now I'm here to present you with a tutorial. So first of all, I need to give an intro about the things that I'm going to do. It's all related with the HMS, which means the Huawei mobile services. So right now, in recent years, you have been known that the Huawei has a dispute with the Google, and Google has banned Huawei. So Huawei cannot put Google or Google services or their applications on their phones nowadays. So we have been all known that Huawei has been working with for a very long time with their new OS, which was called Huming OS or Arc OS or something like that. So we haven't seen that still, because they are still running on Android, and they are still on EMUI, which is their native OS or launcher type thing. But they have removed Google services from their phones in recent days, because in recent two devices, which is the Huawei P40 series, the P40 Pro and P40 Pro Plus, and their budget series, which is Y7P, they have removed the Google services, and now they put their own native the native mobile service they are calling HMS. So GMS, from the diversion from GMS to HMS, they have included Huawei App Gallery, which is an alternative of kind of Google Play Store, and it's one of the good app galleries, you can say. And now it's already in the top 3 app galleries, because for most of the users, Google Play Store has the main default app gallery. But right now Huawei App Gallery is one of the also leading app galleries. They have over 54,000 apps in their app gallery. But right now you can say that Google and iOS, their app store, has more apps. But in the short period of time, Huawei has made 54,000 apps and give them into the app gallery. So it's a huge deal. But there's a good thing: you cannot use iOS phone, you can use Play Store, Google Play Store on iPhone, or you cannot use App Store on your Android smartphone. But you can use Huawei's App Gallery in your native Android device. So right now I'm going to tell you that how you can install your Huawei App Gallery in your native device, means your Android device. And it's a very good app store, and here you will find various applications in a very good speed. Downloading speed is also very good. So I'm now in my phone screen, and I'm gonna show you how you can download it. So first of all, I'm gonna show you the app gallery. So this is advertised definitely. So this is the app gallery that you will see on Huawei's phone. And though my phone is not Huawei, I am using Realme X2 device, which is a sub brand from Oppo, but I still can use this app gallery very good, and this is a very good device. This is a very good app gallery. There you could say different kinds of categories like action games or different types of categories. And I have been able to download Fortnite, which is not available on Google Play Store, but I download it from here. So right now I'm gonna show you how you can download it. So first of all, you need to go to the Google Play Store. You have to go to the Google Chrome, and in the search bar you have to write the Huawei App Store APK. So at the top you will see Huawei App Gallery 10.3.0.304 for Android download. So this is a third-party app store which is called Up to Down, and from here you can download this application and just install it. It's a very easy process, and to download it you have to open an Huawei account, which is very easy. You have to just click on, you have to give your number or email or etc., or give a password. That's it. And I will give the link in the description box from where you can download it. So thanks for watching, and you can also download it for other sources. It's depend up to you, but I will give a better source in the description and where I downloaded it, and you can download as well. Thank you very much.